Retired Senior Superintendent of Police Newton Amos has been returned as chairman of the board of the Institute of Sports INSPORTS for a third time by Sports Minister Olivia Grange. Amos, who has been leading the organization since 2018 and drove the investigation into the multi-million-dollar fraud at the government's grassroots sports agency, will continue leading for another year. Sports Minister Grange confirmed with TVJ Sports that 3 persons were replaced on the board, which has been reduced by 1 down to 12.
The board is a little smaller than it was previously, and the tenure that it has been appointed for is shorter than previously. It's just appointed for a year because we mean to fast track the transition into the restructuring of the sports sector within government. But I just want to say that the Institute of Sport is functioning efficiently, and I look forward to it continuing its work.
Now, the announcement of the new board comes 3 weeks after the major organized crime and anti-corruption agency MOCA revealed that 6 persons were arrested for a $22 million fraud after 7 years of investigation. Veteran sports administrator Ian Forbes, who is among the 9 members returned, will serve as the deputy chairman. The others returned are Ronald Anderson, Vishu Tolan, Dr. Michelle Holt, Dr. Lee Martin, Alan Beckford, Glenn Nelson and Emil Spence. The new members of the board are Shirley McLean Brown, Suzette Eisen and Interim Executive Director of INSPORTS, Major Desmond Brown, as the ex officio member.